Hello students of Standard 2nd, TAV Mall Public School, Sita Songi welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is the magic matchbox. This topic is taken from your English reader. Today we are revising this chapter. In the previous videos we learned this chapter, okay? So today we are only revising. Listen carefully, I am reading the lesson. The magic matchbox. A bad old witch lives in a forest. One day Neha forgets her way back home and enters the forest. Look at this. A witch, bad witch, old bad witch. This is the witch and this is the Neha. Neha forgets her way back home and she enters in the forest. The witch is watching. Witch is a cruel woman, okay? Cruel and old woman. Witch is watching her from behind a tree. She catches Neha and takes her to house. Who catches Neha? A witch, a bad cruel witch was watching her and she catches Neha and takes her to her house. She makes Neha do all the work. Neha was a small girl, but that old bad witch asked Neha to do all her household work. Neha has to fetch sticks for cooking. She has to catch fish from the pond and cook it. She not only catch the fishes from the pond but also she have to cook it. She means which not do any work, any household work. Neha do all the work. She has to stitch clothes, not only cooking and fetching the sticks from the forest. She has to stitch clothes for the witch also. The witch does not do any work. She has an itch on her foot. The witch does not do any household work or other works also. She only scratch her foot, which has an itch. All day long she only scratches her foot. Neha is crying. She wants to run away. She does not know the way back home. Neha forget the way in the forest, so she does not know the way back to home. She only crying. One night Neha lies down to sleep on the patch of dry grass. One day Neha lies down to sleep on a patch of dry grass. She feels something hard near her hand. She picks it up. It is a golden magic matchbox. Neha strikes a matchbox. Look at this. When she lies on the dry grass, she feels something hard near her hand. She feels something hard near her hand and she found a magic matchbox. Neha strikes a match. There is a bright light. A fairy stands before Neha. She sees the tears in her eyes. Who sees the tear in her eyes? Fairy. Fairy says, the the tear in the Neha's eyes. And fairy appears when she strikes the match because it was a magic matchbox. Look at this. A fairy in front of the Neha. She asked, "Why are you crying, my child?" Who asked? That fairy asked. "Why are you crying, my child?" Neha says, "I want to go home to my mummy and papa. The bad witch is not letting me go." Who is not letting her go? That bad witch. Because Neha do all her work. The fairy is very kind. She wants to help Neha. She says, "Don't cry. Do not cry, my child. I have a magic wand. Close your eyes." She has a magic stick, magic wand. Close your eyes. Saying this, the fairy stretches her hand and waves the wand in the air. Fairy waves the wand in the air. Neha closes her eyes. When she opens them, she finds that she is sitting on her bed at home. Where is Neha now? Neha is in her house on her bed. When she opens her eyes, she is very happy that it was only a dream. What was that? That she forgot her way back home in the forest, and a bad witch who was only scratching her itching foot, and Neha do all her household work. Not only household work, but stitching her clothes also, fetching stakes, all that works Neha do. Only that was a dream. And Neha was very happy. Neha is very happy now because that is only a dream. Okay, let's see the exercises. Let's see the question answers. We did these question answers in previous video. Now only reminding that. Okay, so who not done this, do it. Okay. Who catches Neha? Who catches Neha? A witch catches Neha. What does the witch do all day? The witch scratches her itching foot all day. The witch scratches her itching foot all day. Why can Neha not go back home? Why can Neha not go back home? Neha forgets the way back home, so she can't go back home. Neha forgot that way. What does Neha find near her hand? What does Neha find near her hand? Okay, let me tell you. Neha finds a magic matchbox near her hand. Neha finds a magic matchbox near her hand. Who helps Neha to go back home? Who helps Neha to go back home? Yes, a fairy helps Neha to go back home. A fairy helps Neha to go back home. These all are question and answers. So complete these question answers in your copy. Okay? Now assignment. Look at the picture and write down the missing spelling. What is the boy doing? Itch, itching. I-T-C-H, I-T-C-H, itch. M-A-T-C-H, match, matchbox. W-I-T-C-H, witch. Stretch, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch. Switch, SWITCH, switch. Stitch, STITCH, stitch. Okay, complete this. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Good day.